Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you eating?
This one's strawberry.
Oh, well, there's two in there. You're only supposed to get one out. Here, hold one.
Oh.
I'll put the other one back in here. We'll save it.
Well, you can have it.
Oh, Mommy can't eat these. But it looks delicious. Are we gonna go for a walk this morning?
It's the best day ever.
Yeah, you like the walks? They fall down to the ground, and that's what's in your hand. See how they're green on the trees? And then when they die and they fall off, they turn brown.
Oh, I love that.
Those are pine needles. They come from the trees.
Ah, sweet.
Learn something new every day, huh? See the wildflowers? Don't pick them. You don't ever pick flowers that you don't know what they are. They could be poisonous, or they could hurt you. But you can look at them. Hey, your breakfast matches your outfit. What color is your breakfast? What color is your shirt? What color is your pants? What color is your shoes? Pink! You see some owls? Oh, Noah. That is an owl. Right here, huh? Hey, Noah, what sound do the owls make? Who's that?
I'm thinking.
Insectivorous plants. You'd like to put some of those in your garden? Which one? The pitcher plants?
Yeah, and the lilies, all kinds of ones.
Yeah.
Some pink ones.
So insectivorous plants. Here, stand up here and you can see the sign. It says most insect-eating plants grow in boggy and acidic soil. The pitcher plant has a small pool of water in the leaf stalk or the pitcher, and insects are forced by stiff hairs into the water. And then the bacteria decomposes them. The sundew attracts insects with the glistening droplets on its leaves. When the insect gets stuck on the flower's hairs, then other hairs bend in like tentacles over the insect, and it suffocates the bug. That's why they call it insectivorous plants.
Oh, really? And one of them are like going down.
Yeah.
And one of them are going straight.
Mm-hmm.
Is that all the moves they can do?
That's all the moves they can do.
So many kinds of moves. Do you hear that now? What is that? We're at the end?
I think we're at the end.